Hi there, my name is Stanley from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate products using RevContent. So let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the dashboard of the Deberoo tracker, and in this video you will learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate marketing products using RevContent. Alright, so let's dive straight in, and first I want to show you the offer that we are going to build a campaign for today. So it's just an example offer, and you can use all these methods for whatever offer you want to promote. But in this campaign, we are going to promote the Norton Anti-Virus, which is an offer from Affiliaxe, and it is a CPA flow, a cost per action flow. And we can promote this product in the United States of America as well as in Canada. Okay, so let me show you the landing page, which is this one right here, better than Black Friday sale. So here we have some call to actions for gamers, secure VPN, etc., etc. All right, so that's the offer page that we will be using today to promote this Norton Anti-Virus offer. All right, so first, before we're going to start thinking about ads and start creating our campaign in RevContent, first we need to prepare our tracker for the launch of this campaign. So let's go to the Deberoo tracker, and first of all, let's go to the Affiliate Networks tab, as we want to make sure that Affiliaxe is in our list of affiliate networks in the tracker, okay? So I already have it in here, but in case you do not have Affiliaxe in your Deberoo tracker just yet, adding it is very easy. Simply go to the Create button and click on Affiliate Network. And then right here, we're going to select Affiliaxe from the list of pre-set up affiliate networks right here and click on Next. And you don't have to change anything in this tab. Just select your workspace and click on Save, and you're all good to go. Okay? So after you have pressed Save, Affiliaxe should now be in the list of affiliate networks, which is great. Now all that we need to do is making sure that RevContent is also in our list of traffic sources, okay? So let's see, I think I already have it. I do right here. But in case you don't, the process is exactly the same as adding an affiliate network. Go to Create and click on Traffic Source, and you will find the list of all the pre-set up traffic sources, of which RevContent is one of. Right, there it is. And then press Next, and once again, everything is pre-filled out. You do not have to change anything. All you have to do is select your workspace and click on Save. Okay? Cool, so now that we have added the affiliate network and the traffic source to our tracker, it is now time to add our offer to the tracker. So I'm going to go to the Offers tab, and I'm going to click on Create, and we're going to click on Offer. Once again, we start with the workspace. I'm using the initial one. Then we have the affiliate network, so we're going to select Affiliaxe, and the country tag is going to be United States. All right, let's give this offer a name, Norton Anti-Virus. And right here, we want to paste our offer URL. So let's go to Affiliaxe, and we're going to copy this tracking link, and we're going to paste it in here. And at the end of my offer URL, I'm going to add a question mark, and then I'm going to copy this parameter shown in the area below and paste it in there. Okay? So for each and every affiliate network, there will be different parameters that you have to add. Just take a good note of this line underneath and add that parameter to the end of your tracking link. All right, other than that, we don't have to change anything. So we're going to press Save, and we have saved our offer. Perfect. Next up is the landing page. So first we need to create a landing page, of course. So let's go to the Deberoo landing page builder, and we're going to go to the templates list to find a suitable landing page template. All right. So there are a couple of antivirus offers in there. Antivirus landing pages. All right, but it depends a bit how you're going to promote. So today we're going to promote with Native, of course, but you can also promote antivirus products, for example, on push notifications. So let's actually take a look. Antivirus. So we have these two different landers, and let's go with this one, okay? So I'm gonna call it Norton Anti-Virus, create. All right, so now the editor will open the template that we have chosen, and right here we can change any element that we want. We can change the image, the headline, the text, the CTA. You can change anything that you want, and the far most important thing that you want to change is the destination URL, because that's the URL where the user will go to after clicking on the call to action on your landing page, okay? So to add a destination URL, we're going to click on page info, and right here you will find the destination URL field, okay? So here we want to paste in our click URL, and you can grab your click URL from the Deberoo tracker. So let's go back. I'm going to click on my name and click on tracker settings. And then I'm going to go to the tab tracking URLs, and that's where we will find the click URL. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in here. And then click on change links. The links have now been updated, which is great, so we can publish this landing page. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to copy this landing page URL right here, and then we go back into the tracker, and we're going to go to the landers tab and create a new lander. First, you want to select the workspace again, then the country tag, United States. Let's give this lander a name, Norton Anti-Virus, and I like to have Affiliaxe in there, just so that I know where I've got the offer from. Then we have the lander URL. I'm going to paste it in, and the rest is all good, so we're going to press save. All right, perfect. So we have now added every element that we need to create a campaign. By now you should have added the affiliate network, the traffic source, the offer, and the landing page. So now it is time to start creating our campaign inside the Deberoo tracker. And once we're done there, we'll go to the RevContent platform and create our campaign and our ads inside the RevContent platform. All right, but first we're going to create the campaign inside the Deberoo tracker. So we're going to go to the campaigns tab, and I'm going to click on create, and we're using the tracking simple format. All right, select your workspace, select the traffic source, and set the country tag. Then we're going to give this campaign a name, Norton Anti-Virus Affiliaxe. There we go. Cross model, I'm going to leave that on auto. The transition between ad and campaign funnel, I'm going to set it on redirect. And then we have the campaign destination. So you have the option to create your create your path inside a pre-saved flow, or you can create your path while creating your campaign. We're going to do landers and offers because we have both, right? You can also do direct linking, going straight to the offer page. But for the best results, I recommend landers and offers. And then we have the transition to the offer. So I'm going to do it on a 302 redirect. And we're going to add one landing page as well as one offer page. And we're going to select the ones that we just created. So that one and that one. Perfect. Let's press save. All right. Now our campaign has been created. Okay. Our campaign is all set up in the Deberoo tracker. So we're going to copy this campaign URL, and then we're going to move over to RevContent, where we're going to create a new campaign, or a boost as they call it on RevContent. So first we want to give our boost a name. So let's say USA Norton Anti-Virus Affiliaxe. Okay, then I've got all the information that I need in the boost name. Then we have the bid amount, currently set at 35 cents per click. The budget amount, so we're going to set the daily budget, so let's say 300. Then we have the pacing. I like to have my pacing on, which means that it will try to spread my daily budget over 24 hours. And if you turn this off, it will try to spend your daily budget as soon as possible when a new day starts, okay? But I want to generate data for every single hour of the day and not just the beginning of the day, which is why I like to have my pacing turned on. Right here, you can create your conversion pixel and the brand logo, so you can let it automatically detect it from your landing page, which is an option, or you can upload a logo yourself. In that case, it's recommended to have a square image. They recommend 34 by 34, but like if you're using Canva, for example, they won't accept those dimensions. But important is that it's squared, all right? So it doesn't matter if it's a bit bigger as long as it's squared. All right, but let's do automatically detect for now. Then we have the scheduling, so you can set a start date right here. All right, so you can say, okay, I want to start at the 15th of December, for example, and select your own start date that way. Or you can leave it on immediately, meaning that it will go live as soon as your ads are approved, okay? You can also set an end date if you want. Personally, I don't really work with scheduled end dates. I will just kill my campaign whenever I see it's time to kill my campaign, but it's definitely an option. So if you feel like, you know what, I want to set an end date for my campaign, perfectly fine. Then we have the targeting. So first we have the traffic types. We're going to go with native, of course, but they also have ad block and push notifications. Then we have the country targeting. So we're not going to do all countries, obviously. We're going to include the United States of America. There we go. And then we have the region targeting. So we can include or exclude specific states of the US that we don't want to run in, okay? So for now, at the start of my campaign, this is not something that I would really use. However, later on during the campaign, when I have generated enough data, I can definitely get a feel of specific states that maybe don't really work well with this campaign and this promotion. Okay, so then I might want to exclude those specific states. And the same goes for the zip code targeting. All right, so I'm not going to start with zip code targeting at the beginning of my campaign. However, when I have generated plenty of data and I notice that there are specific zip codes that do not perform well or do perform well, then I might want to include or exclude those zip codes. And then we have the metro targeting, which I'm not quite sure. Oh, that's city. Okay, so Los Angeles, for example. There we go. So Los Angeles metro area. So these are the metropolitan areas of the United States. Same goes here. I'm going to start with all, no targeting on those areas. But later on, especially during the deep optimization, I might want to start using this. Then we have the device targeting. So we can do all devices, desktop, mobile, or tablet. For this one, let's go with mobile. And then we have the mobile operating systems, so Android, iOS, or Windows. Let's actually go with desktop because I feel like people have more important documents on their desktop than on their mobile phone. So we're going to go with desktop only. All right, so then we can choose between Mac OS and Windows. I'm not going to make that decision now because I need some data to say whether one is performing better than the other or not. And the same goes for the browsing. I'm going to start with all browsers, but later on during my campaign, I might want to start selecting specific browsers. Then we have the language targeting. So I'm going to make my ads in English. English is the first language of the United States. So I want people to have their browser language set on English as well. And then we have the tracking. So we have the UTM tracking and the page view tracking. Let's save this. Oh, we need to select the time, start time. There we go. Okay, let's save this. All right, cool. So now our campaign is saved and now we can start creating our ads. You can also choose to upload the ads that you have created for your previous campaigns. For example, maybe you already did a similar campaign before and you want to use those same ads that are proven to convert. Then you can load them in right here. Or you can go to the tab Add New, and that's what we're going to do. So enter your destination URL. So the destination URL is going to be our campaign URL that we just copied from the tracker. So I'm going to paste that in here. Submit. All right, and now we're going to create our ad. Let's start with the headline. Danger. your PC is not protected against viruses and hackers. Protect yourself. Damn, that's a perfect fit. All right, no characters remaining. All right, then we have the description, which can be 250 characters long. All right, so let's say hackers have developed new viruses that can harm your devices and steal personal information. Protect yourself against hackers and viruses and download a antivirus. All right. Cool. And don't lose your valuable documents. There we go. All right, let's give this brand a name. So we could do just Norton, but we could also decide to create a brand name that would, for example, review Norton's policy and their services, and then with that brand name redirect them to Norton. So that depends a bit on the angle that you have. I'm gonna go with Norton for now. Then we have the image uploads. So let's see, we're gonna go with the regular kind of size because we will crop it later inside of RevContent. So let's see, danger. What do we get when we search for danger? Okay, so we get a lot of these kind of signs, not exactly what I wanted. Danger, virus, detected. Let's see. So yeah, this is more kind of the style that I want to go with, but let's see, maybe we get some related images. Virus danger, this one is good. What else do we have? Yeah, I kind of like this one. It pops a lot. There's a lot of bright red in it. Is there a lot of contrast? Maybe not, but it still will catch quite a lot of attention. Let's go to see more. Get more of these related images. This one is good as well. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. Okay. So once again, it depends very much on your angle for the kind of image that you want to use. Also, keep in mind, don't feel bad if it takes you longer to find your creatives. Okay. It can be quite a time-consuming job every now and then. Okay, so I'm using these adjust buttons to create a little bit more contrast. I'm going to put the saturation somewhere in the middle. Something like that. Blur a little bit down to create some sharpiness. All right, I kind of like that. Let's download this. Alrighty. And then we're going to upload it into the campaign inside of RevContent. There we go. Cool, it has been uploaded and let's submit this. All right, perfect. So now we have created our campaign inside of RevContent. What will happen next is the RevContent team will basically go to review our ads, see if it complies with their rules, and if it does and they approve our ads, it will go live either immediately or at the start date that you have set for your campaign. And as soon as your campaign launches, it's time to make some money, right? Let those conversions come in. All right, cool. So you now know how you can promote affiliate products using RevContent native ads. And in this example, we use the Norton Anti-Virus product from Affiliaxe. All right, if you like this video, if you think this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the Deberoo channel to stay up to date about any new videos coming out. All right, that's gonna be it for this one, but I will catch you next time. And until then, peace out.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.